Okay, so this is how to fold the BYD Seal Sunscreen. My son is taking this video and he's laughing. I don't know why. This is so incredibly important. There are about 2,000 owners of seals in this country that will be flummoxed. And the fact that the instructions are in Japanese for a start, and prescribe this Japanese origami style of situation where you have to end up with this sort of situation that fits in this bag. Anyway, it's winter, so I've taken them out. Now, my challenge now is to, I'm in fact doing this video so that I can prove to myself that I've done it before. And the instructions say you've got to twist it one way and the other. And I found that you don't want to compress it like that. You just want to twist it, and then you get that corner up there, top right, and that corner down there, and you sort of you put it into there like that, into that corner, and then you take out that, and you end up with a butterfly. That's it.
Right.